Hi guys, it's me again, Mercy on Global Online Money TV. We post content every Friday on how to make money online. Here with me is Mr. Ikpetinjo, an online entrepreneur doing affiliate marketing for years now. So today we'll be teaching us how to earn $200 daily using Facebook and working online without skills required. All you need is just a mobile phone or a computer with an internet access. This can be done worldwide. You can do this in any part of the country, whether you're from China or you're from Bangladesh. Once again, you may not get the same result if you don't watch this video today.
Hi guys, so let's get started. Here I'll be teaching you how to make money online using just Facebook, and you can earn up to $20 daily. I earn more than that every day, and you can do it too if you follow these steps and watch this video till end. So we start from the first step. Step 1. You visit a website called openculture.com. Openculture is a website where people post free online courses, free online audiobooks, you can even audio graphics, anything free. They post it there. And you can only resell right just to download them into your computer or a mobile phone. That's what I do. I go into the platform openculture.com, download those audiobooks, those e-courses. For me, I download the books about education, science courses like chemistry, biology, and physics. So I download it to my computer. Step 2. I go to the platform that is called fileupload.com. In File Upload, it is a website where people sign up for free. You can sign up for free too. You upload your products, your ebooks into the fileupload.com, and you obtain the products link. What do you do next with the products link? You go to the Facebook we are talking about. Remember, you have to make money using Facebook. Go to Facebook page, log into your normal Facebook account, and click on the search button. Type in there some keywords like, let's say, biochemistry, biology, or physics. You're going to see some groups that connect to that keyword. There are thousands of groups there, but don't join more than 10 groups in a day because you get banned on Facebook. For me, I join as much as I can, but I don't join more than 10 groups in a day. So, what should we do next? Why do you even want to join the group in the first place? What if you are asked a question, why do you want to join the group? Just answer some questions there like, I just want to join the group and share my thoughts and also learn more. Don't join the group as you are going to disperse links, and don't join more than 10 groups so that Facebook will not get you banned from using the platform. After joining the group,
I'm going to quickly interrupt this video before we move to the last step. If you think this method of making money online is hard and you need the easiest way, please visit the first link in the description below to our #1 way community tool and earn $1,000 daily, working 3 hours per day. You get paid online with your PayPal account, and if you want to learn how to create a successful PayPal business account, please click on the second link in the description and watch the video. You can also click on the third link to watch different videos on how to make money online.
Alright, the last step, but not the least. Let's continue. Step 4. What do you do next? After joining those Facebook groups, start answering people's posts on the comment section. When people post, like let's say you join groups on biochemistry, chemistry, biology, physics, people will be posting some things like acid-base titration. How do I get to know it very well? How do I know this? How do I know that? How can I even become a good acid-base titrator? What should you do? You answer those posts and leave a comment in the comment section with your link to your file upload product for them to read more. Don't just say Don't just dispense the link anyhow. Answer the question and keep the values to that group. Provide value to the group anyway. But what should you do? After providing values to the group, you now say, hey guys, I just found the material very good for you to read more. You can even learn more about this topic. Just click on the link to view. You see, you have provided values. And you leave them with what? Link to learn more. With that, when those people click, trust me on this. Imagine you now joining like a group that has 1,000 members, and someone posts on any topic. Then you comment on the topic with some links to your own product from that Out of 1,000 members in each group, at least 500 members will view the group, will view the posts rather, and 100 people will be converted to view the link in the description, in the comment section. Each link that you click, file upload will pay you $2. Then now check, $2 times 100 people, you have made how much? $20. More than that. That's how I make money online.
Wow! Online money. I love it. Please follow our Facebook page and join our communities to share your thoughts with us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Global Online Money TV, and turn on the notification bell so you can be the first to see our new content. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our videos to other social media platforms. We love you.